Agros is officially back from their scheduled holiday break, and that means that we're back to earning passive profits from our debt slides. Now, I'm going to go over all the details and tell you exactly what you need to know in this video. Let's get into it. What's up, good people? This is Anthony DeLoatch, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm giving you all an update on Agros. Now, I brought Agros to the channel probably about a month or so ago, and I told you all the things that I like about this, how I like that it's different, but I want to give you guys an update and tell you some more details. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, you all know that I have my YouTube Growth Acceleration 5-day challenge coming up on January the 22nd. We're just 1 week away. Now, if you've ever thought about building your own YouTube empire, then you need to be in this challenge. And I have an option for you to join this challenge for absolutely free right now. And all you have to do is drop down into the description of this video, click on that link, and it will take you where you can enroll into this challenge. Now, once you guys get enrolled, I look forward to seeing you on the other side. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this. Agro, the future of agribusiness in Turkey. I like this program, as I expressed before, because it's a little bit different than a lot of the things that we're used to. We're used to earning profits through trading, through ROI dApps, through other things like that, arbitrage, all of that type of stuff. But what I like about this platform is it's allowing us to profit from agribusiness, right? So it's using cryptocurrency to fund agribusiness, which will bring us profit through what they call their debt slots. Now, their debt slots pay returns every single week, and we get to take advantage of that, right? Now, I currently have a debt slot that is paying me about 3.8% per week. That's about 15.2% a month, which I really like. I think that's a pretty good return on your investment, if you will, like, or your deposit or your debt slot, right? I like that. Now, guys, what I like about this company also is they're giving us some tangible collateral. Well, I want to say some collateral that we can look at that shows us exactly what's going on. They have some things that they're planning in the future that's going to give us even more of an intimate approach of knowing exactly what's going on. But let me show you a few things right now. First of all, let's look at an overview of Agros, right? Here's who they say they are. Agros is an independent and one of the largest offshoots of a large-scale Australian fund with an authorized capital of 250 million. We operate in Turkey, which allows us to use year-round yields our own technologies, including artificial intelligence, as well as the extensive experience of the company's management and employees to generate high income, thanks to rational and methodical approach using unique formulas and modern tools. They got a lot of stuff that they go into here, and we're going to go in and look at the business model really quick, right? Now, they have a comprehensive business model of interaction with the agricultural sector of Turkey. The company Agros uses a comprehensive model of interaction with the agricultural sector, combining an extensive staff of experienced employees, the latest technologies, and artificial intelligence to perform analytical and predictive tasks and build the most relevant business model for each specific period. We have concluded a number of key agreements with leading representatives of the agricultural sector of Turkey and large-scale farmers, which allows us to purchase the prospective harvest volumes at the most favorable price, and then using our supply chains and agreements with partners all over the world to sell products to the consumers using the most relevant margin, taking into account the situation in a particular market, right? So they give you some things here, and they give you some details here. Here, what you see is coming soon, live broadcasts from their fields. They talk about their geography and their sales margin, all of this type of stuff. So they have this here. Then they have some of the things for their goals. And if you go through and look at their goals, they're going to have the things that they wanted to accomplish in 2023 here. Then they have the things that they're strategic planning for 2024, and they go all the way through 2025, as you can see here. So that's incredible, I think, as well, that they have some goals and things out there. Now, another thing that I like about this are the events that they show their pictures from, right? So here's some pictures from events. As you see the Agros branding, you see some people here in the events. Looks like a very, very well put together event here that they actually had, and you see all of this information. Now, they have some more live footage of the events and things like that that are on the YouTube channel. So let's go over there and look at this really quick. I want to take a quick look at this. And this is like one of the videos they have. Now, this is in a different language here. So I like the fact that they do have all of this stuff out here for people to actually take a look at. If you want to look at their fields, you want to look at their operations, you see all of this type of stuff here that they have on their YouTube channel. They have their international leaders tour, all of this type of stuff that's right here on their YouTube channel. So that's really exciting right there that they do have that as well. So I'm glad to see those things, right? Now, what I like about this is also that they have what they have done is that they've made their process really seamless, right? And I'm going to go into the back office, and then we're going to look at one at their document here that's going to show you some of the things that they have going on. All right. So let's go into their presentation. Let's look at the English presentation here really quick. And I'm going to go over this for anybody that has not seen that. So let me pull this up here. So here's the English presentation. They talk about who we are. We already went over that, so I'm not going to talk about that. The top management hedge fund, Agros Pty Ltd, 6.7 billion capitalization of assets under management, international team of professional, comprehensive verification of funded projects. The Agros CEO and his team. Here is the CEO. In Turkey, a successful entrepreneur with over 20 years of experience in Turkish agribusiness. So you see him here. You see the pictures of him here with some other staff members, that type of thing. Our goal, here's the goal. Our goal is to become the leading company in global agribusiness and to deliver the best products worldwide. To date, we have ensured that we have all the factors in place to achieve this goal. They have long-term contracts to ensure the best practices of products, trusted partnerships, guarantee high quality goods, streamline logistics, reduce costs, speed up delivery, international relations to strengthen the popularity of their brand. Now they talk about their business model here. The key features of our business model is strategic partnerships with the best farmers and representatives of the agricultural sector in Turkey. This approach strengthens our business from two directions at once. Long-term contracts allow us to get the best prices for our goods. That makes sense there. By purchasing more than 60% of the yield, we are no longer dependent upon the volatility of prices on the stock exchange. Diversification of purchases makes it possible not to depend on the seasonality of crops. Purchases and sales of goods are made throughout the 12 months of the year. Application of IT developments and AI analysis allows them to build forecasts and choose the best strategy for procurement of sales and goods. The geography of sales and margin, we went over that a little bit earlier. We got England, Germany, Poland, Romania, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia. Seasonality and yield. The scale of our business and the climatic conditions of Turkey allow us to have a year-round supply of the best products at low prices. As they go over, they break this all down here. Now, here's what you guys probably were really interested in knowing: the debt slots. You heard me mention that before, and I'm going to talk to you about the debt slots and how you can get involved for as little as 50 USDT, right? $50 investment. Now, debt slot is a formal agreement between private partners and Australian business funding company. Under the agreement, the company accepts your funds at one of the offered rates and then allocates them to the development of the business. The full amount of the debt slot purchase is paid in installments over a 12-month period. The weekly payments include a partial repayment of the debt slot purchase amount and the interest on the repayable financial assistance according to the selected rate. So we're going to go in and we're going to look at these different debt slots. But let's say the starting point. This is going to get you a yearly profit of 190%. This is starts at a $50 investment amount. The weekly profit is 3.6%. The monthly profit is 15.83%. Now you could go over to the basic. The basic is going to start at 250. This is where I started right here with the basic 250. It's going to give you 201% yearly profit. The weekly profit is going to be 3.8%. The monthly profit is 16.75%. So it's a little bit more than what I said earlier. I quoted the 15.2, but it's really the 16.75%. Now, you also have the light if you want to start with $1,000 or more. This is a weekly profit of 4.0%. So this is 4%. Your monthly profit is 17.5%. That's really good there. Now, if you have more that you want to start with, 2,500, your weekly profit is 4.4%. Monthly profit is 19.5%. 0.16%. So this is really good. If you want to earn 19% a month, you can start with $2,500 and you can actually do that. Now they have the large for people going at higher amounts. This is the 5,000 investment amount, and then the profit is going to be 4.9%. The monthly profit is going to average around 21.5%, and that's a 258% yearly profit. 10,000 dollar investment amount is going to get you 5.5% in weekly profit. The monthly profit is 23.91%, yearly profit of 287%. The exclusive right here is $25,000 or more. That's going to get you a weekly profit of 5.8%, monthly profit of 25.8%, and a yearly profit of 301%. Now, the debt slot revenue is accrued every Friday. What that means is that you're going to get paid your returns from your debt slot every single Friday, and I can be a testament to that happens every single Friday. Now, during the 7 days of the accrued amount, during 7 days, the accrued amount remains on the frozen account, and at the end of this period, you can create a withdrawal request. So 7 days, right? It's going to accrue the amounts. You're going to see it grow, and it's going to continue to accrue the amounts. But at the end of the 7 days, you're going to be able to go in and do a withdrawal request to withdraw those profits that you earn on Friday. The fulfillment of the withdrawal request takes about 24 hours. So most of mine have been under 24 hours, but it takes about 24 hours for you to get your withdrawals. You got to give them up to 24 hours. Now, the financial holiday, and this is for last year, the financial holiday was from December 15th up to January 15th of 2024. Now, during this period, no accruals of debt slots will be processed. Everything else was operating in the business, but you just weren't earning the actual payouts from your debt slots every single week during that period. So you had about 4 weeks that you were not doing that, okay? But now that's over. They're officially back, and you're back to earning from your debt slots again. Now they have some examples of debt slot calculations just in case anybody had any questions about that. And so we'll talk about these different case studies here. So let's say if you started with the $250, you're going to earn 3.8% per week. That's going to be 16.75% per month, which is about 41. So the dollar amounts would be $9.7 per week, or $41.8 per month, or per year it'd be $502, right? And the accruals would happen every Friday, right? So I want you guys to think about this. This means that you turn 250 into 500. Right. So if you think about this, that's pretty decent. If you want to look at that, that's going to give you some income weekly that you can withdraw, not just $9.7, but that's some income weekly that you can withdraw. Now, here is the large one. If you go, it's a case study for the large at 5,000. This means that you're going to earn about $248 per week, or about $1,075 per month. But in a year, you're going to earn $12,900. You get a 258% return, and the accruals are going to happen every Friday. Now, this is a higher one, the case amount of $50,000. This is going to put you in the pro. This means that you're going to earn about $3,000 per week, or $13,000 per month, and the total that you're going to get back from this is 312% in a year, and that's going to be $156,500 per year, and your accruals will happen every Friday. So those are some examples, right? Now, how to capitalize on Agros revenue opportunities. 3 simple steps that will allow you to earn with an internationally recognized company. First, register. Get the link from the person who referred you. I'll have a link in the description of this video. You choose a debt slot and pay using your preferred method. You can use USDT and the other options that they have there. And then also you can get passive income accrual debt profit every single Friday. So that's what's going to happen. It's just 3 easy steps. Register, select your debt slot, make sure you fund that, and then you're going to get accrual profit every single Friday. So that's a brief overview of the program there, a lot of the details and things that go along in the program. Now, the good thing is that they do have a Facebook group here, which you can actually go get to here, which I listed this here, and I'll put this in the description of my video as well, where you can go and check out the Facebook group. They also have an Instagram if you want to check out their Instagram, and then they have a Telegram group as well. So it's the Agros official Telegram group, and we will go into that also, right? So those are some of the things that we have here, and then they have their YouTube channel, which I showed you guys earlier, right? So a lot of information here where you could go in and dive in, get connected with the company, all of this type of stuff, and see exactly what they have going on. Now, I'm going to be doing more videos showing you guys some more things in the back office, but I also have my original overview, which shows you how to fund and all of that type of stuff, your Agros account and all that stuff. I'll try to link those here and put those on the end card of this video so you guys can go ahead and check those out if you decide that you want to go ahead and get started with Agros and check and see what it can do for you. As always, guys, I'm looking for the best and the most profitable, the most solid ways for us to earn from the cryptocurrency space and beyond. And this is just one of the ones I think that we could use to actually be able to do this. I'm going to keep you guys in the loop, let you know exactly what's going on. And as always, you guys know exactly what we're going to do, right? We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.